Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial or whatever, and today I'm going to be featuring Asteria hair. So I have a 26-inch wig, 250% density. So this hair is thick. Yeah, I think this is one of the thickest wigs that I have. This is so full and so thick, but still full of body. You know what I mean? So when it comes to wigs, yeah, that you receive, you don't have to stick to the hairline that they're giving you, especially if it doesn't, fit your hairline. I have a very round hairline, and this wig was more of a shape up type look, so more squared. So I'm going to cut the lace in a way that it's going to be round. So as you can see, all the excess hair that goes like way above my hairline, I'm just gonna part that out and pluck behind it, so it looks as if this is how the wig came. So if you don't pluck behind it, it will look kind of funny, I won't lie. When I first tried this method, I forgot to pluck and it did look a bit funny. So make sure you pluck behind the section that you've parted out. That way it can look as gradient as possible and as natural as possible. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna cut off all the excess lace. So I've already bleached and plucked the lace off camera. All I have to do is pretty much install it. Guys, can you see how this lace is just matching my skin? But let's continue. So to cut out my ear tabs, I make a part around my ear. As you can see, the lace is quite transparent, so you can see where my ear is. So all the hair that is, covering my ear, I part that out, and then the part is where I follow with my scissors. So the part that I've made is what I follow. It's literally that easy, guys. Practice makes perfect. As you keep doing it, you will get better and you get better. Okay? Now I'm going to hot comb the hair away from my face so that when I'm sticking it down with my SUPERHOLD spray, none of the hairs will get, in the mix. So I'm using the ORS SUPERHOLD spray to lay my lace today. This is just a quick fix, like not everyday glue, alright? Most of the time, this is what I have on my lace. I barely use glue, but yeah, I'm just gonna spray down 2 layers, and I'm gonna let air dry like 50%, and then I'll put my lace on, and that's literally it. Then after I've applied the lace and stuck it down, I go again with another layer on top just to ensure that it's stuck, and then I go over with a blow dryer, and that's how I make sure my lace stays, with just holding spray.
I ain't even touch your body. When I do, I'ma take my time. I'll explore a private island and unlock the deepest treasures inside. And when I do, I won't leave. I'm making my home. I leave my treasures inside. Yeah. Oh, we stay lit all the time.
Alright, so today I'm going for a very light or very soft baby hair look. So very natural baby hair look. Most of the time my baby hairs are, you know, you can see them, but today it's very, very soft and very natural. So I'm going to be parting out the hair that I'll be using for my baby hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my elastic band. And that way, you know, if you do this before, I feel like it lays your baby hairs in the way, like the hairs that you lay out for your baby hairs would lay in position, ready to be, you know, swooped. Here I'm just showing you guys the length of this hair. It is 26 inches. It goes all the way down to my butt crack. Like, I'm 5'9", and this is so long. But yeah, applying my ORS argan oil, and then I'm going to go over with my blow dryer just to ensure that that is really, you know, in the hair.
That's why they call me down. And this is for my ladies.
So now we're back onto the edges. I'm going to be cutting the hairs short. I feel like the shorter you cut it, the more natural it looks, but you don't want to cut too short, okay? Just make sure you cut it a decent length, not too long, or else it wouldn't look very natural. So I'm cutting my hairs very short, and then I'm going to be swooping them using the Lotto Body Mousse.
Touch the body when I do, I'ma take my time. I'll explore a private island and unlock the deepest treasures inside. And when I do, I won't leave, I'm making my home, I leave my treasures inside. Yeah, oh, we stay lit all the time. Playing games on my mind. She killing nifty with my weed. Get a lot then we vibe. We stay lit.
Alright, so now that I've swooped my edges into place, I'm going to apply my elastic band again. I know you're having it again, but yeah, this is how much you need to apply. You need your lace to lay and your edges to lay. So this is the best way. Just make sure you're laying it down with elastic band. It may hurt your head, but, you know, make sure you're not doing it too tight. You want your blood to still flow, but make sure you're laying your lace for a long period of time. I did my makeup, and then I came back, and that's when I removed the elastic band. And as you can see, the lace is going to be melted into my skin. The edges are going to be in place. Everything is just going to be making sense, as you can see. Yeah, and now I'm just going to work on the actual hair. I'm going to be straightening it, and I'm going to be hot combing it. First, I'm going to apply my wax stick. This is by KIKIHAIRCARE sleek wax stick, and I'm just going to hot comb it back and hot comb the center, and then I'm going to straighten the hair. The first time I actually heard of Asteria hair was on Roppo's channel, Roppo Demure, and I was just like, wow. This was like 2 years ago, by the way. I was like, wow, this hair is so, like, the hair is so dark, and it looks as if it's been, like, it looks as if it's been dyed, but it's not. It's so dark, it's so shiny. Like, that was what caught me, the luster, the body. I was just like, yeah, I need to get this hair. I didn't actually get the hair, but you know, 2 years down the line, I'm doing the review. You see how God work. But yeah, man, that's the first time I actually came across Asteria hair. So when they reached out to me, I was like, yeah, I would love to do a review.
I ain't even touch your body. When I do, I'ma take my time. I'll explore a private island and unlock the deepest treasures inside. And when I do, I won't leave. I'm making my home.
Alright, so this is one side straight, and you can see how silky, how soft, how lustrous this hair is. Like, it's so shiny on its own. Like, even without the argan oil, it is so shiny and it's so gorgeous. Like, it's so I've never had hair this full before. I'm even like adjusting to it small because it's so full. But yeah, I'm just gonna be defining my part with some concealer. This will make your part look crisp and sharp, and then yeah, I'm done. Literally, this hair is so beautiful. I will be using this hair a lot because it's just so long. It's just a bit of me, you get what I mean? It's just so full, so long, so beautiful. Look at the way the lace is melted. Look at the way the length. Look at the body. Look at the movement. I highly recommend this hair. It's by Asteria hair once again. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. All the details on the hair will be in the description box. I love you guys. Stay blessed, stay safe and stay prayed up.